Speaking of having to edit videos, we actually have an issue right now where if we hit start and we go to our options and then we click on history, nothing happens. That's because we never actually set the functionality for our history button unclicked in our menu. We only set it in our dialog because that was the only place we clicked it before we had our options do something. So let's do that. Go to our history, unclicked, and just get our dialog or widget switcher and set child active widget index, that's the one, to be 1. That's not 1, this is 1. And there's no need to update the button visibility because the only time we would be able to actually click on this history button is if we're in game. So obviously none of these would change. So let's compile, save that, press play, start, options, history, and we can go back to our options if we want, back to our history, etc. That's codecs, this is options. Yeah, so just a quick edit to that last part of the video.